Can't connect to Wi-Fi on your Apple Watch? Don't worry, this issue is common and usually easy to fix. It often happens due to incorrect Wi-Fi settings, weak signal, or outdated software. In this video, I'll show you how to solve Wi-Fi connection issues on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Forget Wi-Fi and then reconnect. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. After that, tap Wi-Fi. Make sure to enable the Wi-Fi. Now tap on your network. Here you can see Forget this network option. Tap on it. Scroll down. Now tap Forget. After forgetting, reconnect your Wi-Fi network and see. Solution 2. Check your software update. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then download and install the update. After updating, your Apple Watch Wi-Fi problem will be solved. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.